Okay, so we're going to quickly go over how to add a new member to the Unicorn Club site. So when you first log into the back end, you should be on the dashboard or wherever you want to go to this left navigation to the members area. And then all you just do is go to add new. And then here in the title, you're going to add their name. So we'll do Jane Smith. Down here in this text area is where you're going to do their biography. So we'll just put here some information about Jane Smith. The next item is going to be to add their position. Let's say she's founder and CEO of the Jane Smith Company. Let's put that there. And then let's say that she's located in Las Vegas, Nevada. And then this button text is what's going to read. Now this is nice because that comes up as a default, and then you can just change the name to Jane. Then it's consistent with all the rest of the members. Next thing you're going to do is set the featured image. So you'll click on that, go to upload files. You'll upload your picture, headshot of Jane Smith. You're going to want to have that be a square, set to a square, and then publish. That's pretty much all there is. So if we look here, we'll go to the front end. We'll see that Jane's not on there, and we'll just refresh, and there's Jane. There she shows up. So you'll notice that Jane shows up at the top. Jane, here's some information about Jane Smith, and there's her title. You'll notice that she shows up at the top here. So if you don't want Jane at the top or the newest member to show up at the top, then we're going to go to the listing of the members. So it's back over here on the left side. And then you'll see the listing of members again. So you can do this quickly. I could have had them create some code so that it puts it somewhere else, but rather than go to that expense, it's easy enough to just say, okay, the newest member is going to go to the top. But if you wanted to show it at the bottom, then you just put her published, change the publish date to something that is before that. So you can just go into Quick Edit. You don't have to go into the record. And then, so we're going to put something before May 25th here, which is the last one. So let's do May 24th. And then update. We'll go to the front end, and then we'll see that, voila, Jane Smith is the most recent one down at the bottom. So another, I'm going to refresh this page. Jane shows up at the bottom. Another quick edit that you can do is, let's say Jane Smith is not a member no longer a member of the Unicorn Club. We can do a quick edit and say, instead of published, we can put her to draft, and then update that. And then if you go to the front end, then you'll see that Jane Smith is no longer showing as a current member. Also, you could just completely trash her if you'd like. Then she'll go to the trash area. Then she doesn't show up on the main area of the published members. She'll be in the trash area, but you can see here that if you just hover over there that you can restore Jane or just delete her permanently. And then if you go to all or published, then you'll see that Jane shows up again. She shows up as draft because that's what it will show up if you restore her. Then you can put her back to published. Refresh the page, and there she is, and she's down at the bottom because her published date remains the same, what we updated it to. And that's all there is to it.